In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make overlap wall shelf in SketchUp. Okay, maybe the overlap wall shelf it's applicated on a narrow space, so we have to make the illustration of the narrow space. We can make another wall over there. We can push it to the forward. We can make group and then we can move and duplicate it and then we can place on this position. So we can illustrate this existing condition with a small room anyway, then we can make the overlap wall shelf in this position. So first of all, we have to make the basic shape into rectangle. We can start from here, maybe it's depend on you, and then we can make around this position anyway. So we can push it forward around 350 millimeter, and then we can make it group. And don't forget to assign material to make us easier for modification it or for adjust this another object. Okay, and then we have to move it down anyway. We have move it down around 500 millimeter, and then we can duplicate it to the upper position around this position. Okay, so then we can select it all anyway, and then we can make it group, and then we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. So then we can uh, place on this position. So and anyway, we can also make another wall surfaces to make it more representative. Maybe we can using synthetic surfaces over there. We just like this and or just like this anyway. Or okay, okay, maybe we can use this also. Okay, so I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about how to make overlap wall shelf in SketchUp. And wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.